I want to show all of you how to network using LinkedIn. And when you network, I want you to find people that have something in common with you. We're going to do a search, okay? So if you see a magnifying glass, what you do is you click on it just to go to this next screen I'm going to show you, okay? And then what you can do is you can have filters. Great. Now, what I'm going to do is, let's say that I want to work at Google, okay? It's my dream to work at Google, for example. So I want to find people currently at Google. All right, now if I approach somebody from Google and say I want to work there, will they take a meeting? Probably not. All right, so maybe I have something in common with them. All right, well, I'm currently in the Bay Area, so I'll click that, but that's not enough. What else can I do? Yeah, I've got to find somebody actually that went to my undergrad that works at Google here in the Bay Area. So I'll type McGill University, see this here? Okay. All right, and I want them to be, I don't know, 1 or 2 degrees of separation. So 1 degree means that they're already connected with me, but I'm going to focus on the second one to make it harder for me, okay? Second degree means that they're connected to somebody I already know, which is a good thing because what happens is people trust you more if other people know you, that they know, that sort of thing. Okay, here we go. So let's do a search now. Let's see what comes up for those 5 criteria here. This is real time. Okay, great. Huh. All right, so I've got this guy here. I've got 14 results. This guy's a first degree connection. I'm not going to look at him though, okay, it's too easy. I want to look at second degree connections. So it looks like I've got 13 second degree connections. So let me pick a random one. Let's see here. Strategy and operations at Google. This person, Mo. Okay. Don't click connect, okay, because a lot of people, what they do is they click connect and they enter in a message saying, hi, I'd love to connect with you. Do you have time to meet? And what happens is people accept the connections, but they don't read the message. Okay, don't do that. Here's what you're going to do. So we're going to click on Mo. Okay, I don't know who Mo is. Okay, and so Mo works here at Google. Okay, and look at this. He went to McGill University as well, just like me. Great. So let me scroll down and learn a little bit more about the guy. Okay, Mo. He's a secondary connection. He works at Google. He went to McGill like I did. Let's see when. Oh my God, check it out. He worked at Accenture, which is Accenture. Just kidding. No, it's a good company. I worked at Accenture too. Great. So I'll bring that up in the educational message. I promise you this is not planned. Okay. And he went to McGill. He did an MBA at McGill. And oh my God, it's a high GPA. He did a Bachelor of Commerce at McGill, a BCom. BCom or be cool, as we used to say. And so I have a BCom as well, Bachelor of Commerce from McGill. So I'll probably use this then. That's perfect. Okay, interesting. Let's see what else I can learn about this person. Okay, so whatever, I can go, he loves Richard Branson just like I do. And by the way, whoever you follow here, don't make them politicians because half the people won't like you. I don't know what half. Okay, great. So here's what I'll do, okay? I will send a message to Mo, okay? And the subject line, I want you to do it exactly like I'm going to show you, okay? Subject line, I would type the word hi, and that's it. Why? Because people open messages that say hi. Email died decades ago, by the way. Don't ever, and don't LinkedIn, don't Twitter message someone, don't Facebook message someone. It doesn't work. We get too many of them. You only want to use LinkedIn. Why? Because when you send a message on LinkedIn, and I know everybody in this webcast, you have all opened every single message you've ever gotten on LinkedIn. I know you have, but not email. The reason you've opened it is because up here, you see that red flag? Those are messages. And I look at every single message I get because what happens is that's a valuable piece of real estate on your desktop here. Okay, and so you click on it. When you see messages, hold on, see if we're still online. We're still good. Okay, great. Back here. So here's what you type. So you want to use the words please, thank you, and what you have in common. But you want to keep it short because less is more. Don't ever type long messages because people won't read them, right? Or it's just so hard for them to want to respond. All right, so here's how I do it. I would go, Mo, hope all is well. I'm also a graduate. I would say I'm also a BCom graduate from McGill. And I also used to work at Accenture. Not funny? Sorry. at Accenture, please let me know if you have $1,000 to spare. Sorry. If you have time to meet for a coffee in the next few weeks, thanks. Your future boss. And then what you do, no, I'm just kidding. Chris, of course. And I wouldn't write accidental there as well, okay? Chris. And then I would send it, and I guarantee you, this person who I don't know would respond, okay? Because people want to help you. You just have to ask. You know, after this webcast is over, go to YouTube, do a search on 3 words, Steve Jobs Ask, and you'll see. People want to help you. You just have to ask. And that's why we all use Apple products, or Apple exists, I should say, is because Steve Jobs asked when he was younger. He asked a lot. And you have to be resilient. And you have to be willing to have people not respond to you and be cool with it. It's like dating. You know, remember, I don't know if this works for all. I should not give dating advice. I suck. But I remember when I was younger, I would ask, 5 or 6 people out, maybe in a day at a club or whatever it was. And if they'd say no, I get shy. And that was it for the night. But my buddy Dave, he would ask, 20 or 30 people on a date. He'd meet beautiful people that he basically got married to. This wonderful woman. So you just got to be resilient like that. Networking is like dating. Just be cool with failure, okay? And you got to just keep trying. Keep trying. Never, ever give up. And then I would click send, and that's it. One other thing I would do, and I'm going to click cancel here because I don't want to send anything to Mo. Sorry, Mo, if you're watching, which you probably aren't. Discard the message, okay? Now, what I can also do is I can go here to see who I have in common. And I see all these people that I have in common with Mo. And so I could say, Mo, hey, Mo, I also know Stephanie and Patrick. Please let me know if you have time to meet. So under that answers the question on how to network as well to get that coveted job.